Are you tired of spending endless hours scrubbing through a timeline just to find that one perfect moment in a long video? If you are managing long-form interviews, podcasts, or lectures, there is a tool called Vizard that genuinely makes repurposing content feel fast and effortless. To get started, simply upload your raw video file either by dragging it into the interface or connecting your favorite cloud storage. Vizard immediately scans your entire file and intelligently identifies the highlights, from hilarious laugh-out-loud moments to those powerful quotable lines. It acts just like a sharp intern who intuitively knows exactly what your specific audience is looking for in a clip. Once that initial scan completes, you get a visual map of your video featuring a curated list of suggested clips. Each suggestion explains why it works, highlighting engagement signals and emotional peaks so you can choose with confidence. While you can still edit manually if you want total control, the AI-generated selections are typically impressive and ready to go. Just tap on a clip, and Vizard turns it into a perfectly framed, punchy short that is ready to post to social media. It eliminates the need for endless timeline scrubbing and razor blade cuts, which saves you an incredible amount of mental energy. If you love to tinker with the details, Vizard is not a black box that locks you out of the creative process. You can jump into any clip to refine your start and end points, tweak subtitles, or change the crop for TikTok or Instagram. There is also a convenient transcript view that lets you search for specific keywords to jump straight to that exact timestamp. If you are the type of creator who prefers editing based on words rather than waveforms, Vizard fully supports that text-based workflow. The real game changer here is the automation, especially when you use the auto-editing for viral clips feature. The platform analyzes your video for spikes in energy and emotive language that naturally perform better on social platforms. It then automatically packages these segments with suggested captions, saving you from having to do this work manually. You can effectively batch create an entire week's worth of content in just a few short minutes. For creators trying to maintain consistency without a full-time editor, this kind of efficiency is a massive competitive advantage. Scheduling is another one of my favorite features because it keeps everything organized and stress-free. I used to have to export clips and open a completely separate app just to manage my posting schedule. Vizard's auto schedule lets you define how often you want to post, and it handles the pacing intelligently for you. You can easily set it to post twice a day or follow a custom cadence and then simply forget about it. If a time-sensitive topic emerges, just drag a new clip into the queue and the system rebalances your schedule instantly. The content calendar gives you a single, clean view of everything you have planned, published, and pending. It is a team-friendly hub where you can leave notes, approve posts, and move things around without drowning in tools. This approach makes consistent daily posting feel entirely achievable instead of just being an aspirational goal. While other editors or tools have their place for specific, granular needs, they often force you to do the heavy lifting for distribution. Vizard seamlessly blends the creative side of editing with the operations side of distribution, keeping your momentum high. I love that the clip suggestions often catch subtle reactions and story beats that I completely missed during the recording. Those spontaneous moments are absolute gold for platforms like TikTok and Reels, where authenticity really wins. Plus, the caption recommendations sound genuinely native and human, avoiding that robotic copy you see elsewhere. If you care about multi-platform delivery, Vizard lets you resize and reformat your clips for different aspect ratios in a single click. The editor includes transitions, on-screen text, and motion presets so your shorts never look hastily put together. There are also quick tools for cleaning up filler words or tightening long pauses, which is incredibly useful for conversational content. Everything stays non-destructive, so if you ever mess up a trim, you can restore your previous versions with ease. Repurposing long-form content is truly where Vizard shines, turning dense conversations into dozens of snackable moments. It allows channels to keep a steady output of content without the risk of the creator burning out from the process. My personal workflow is to take an hour-long interview, upload it, and let the auto-scan generate around 30 clip suggestions. I review the top picks, tweak the captions, and line them up in the calendar for the next 2 weeks. In one short session, I have successfully prepared half a month's worth of social media content. Compared to the traditional way of exporting, resizing, and manually scheduling, this saves hours of monotonous work. If you are doing heavy, cinema-grade VFX, you might still need a full-blown editor, but Vizard is perfect for 90% of us. It offers an affordable and scalable pricing model, meaning you don't pay for enterprise features you simply do not need. Think about it. One creator struggles manually with every post, while another uses Vizard to post consistently and engage their audience. The raw content is exactly the same, but the outcome for the audience and the creator is completely different. If you are skeptical, just grab the free trial and push one of your long episodes through the entire pipeline. Test the clip picks, look at the captions, and run the auto schedule for a week to see the difference yourself. For creators who want to grow without hiring a full team, that kind of efficiency is the ultimate edge. So forget the timeline and focus on the storytelling or the conversation and let Vizard do the heavy lifting. It provides a cleaner process, faster turnaround, and significantly less stress for your daily creative routine. Whether you are repurposing webinars, long interviews, or podcasts, this makes the work feel like a creative pipeline. I can walk you through my auto schedule setup, but even without a demo, the core idea is incredibly simple to grasp. Capture the raw content, let Vizard find the gold, and let the platform handle the messy publishing stuff for you. You get more clips, better consistency, and more time to focus on the things that actually matter to your brand. Go try it out right now, upload one long video, and see exactly how many snackable clips are hiding inside. I am willing to bet it finds that specific golden moment you thought only you noticed.